Well, good morning. Williams, Philippines. It's about 4:30 in the a.m. on Wednesday morning, September 4th, 2024. Well, I tried to find out about getting my doctor's appointment moved up here, and nobody up here takes my insurance for that. So, oh yay! I get to go down there next week. Leave out of here on Wednesday morning. Go there for what all they're going to do on Thursday after enjoying the stuff they gave me to enjoy. And then take a Uber over there and get there for my procedure, and then probably get yelled at because I don't have anybody take me home, and it's going to be an Uber taking me back to the hotel. Yeah. They can either accept it or kick me out. I don't care. I'll get there on time and be ready for it. If they want to do it, yay. If not, well, that's their problem. It's not like I wanted that to happen in the first place. But also, Tuesday morning I get to go and have the vampires drain me again and bleed me. Because, hey, isn't that what everybody wants, is to have a bunch of blood drawn out of your system? It's a donation at the blood place. I ain't too hip with it, but my doctor wants me to do that for a few times to thin my blood out. Apparently I've got too many red cells. I don't know. So anyway, it is what it is. So, and they can at least use it. So that's a good thing. And Saturday I'm going to try to go over and get a, one of the cancer screenings. Just because, well, it's free and I can get that and then head over and hit the club meeting for the ham radio. I think I can get there on time. We'll see. Try to pawn off some of the stuff I've got. I don't know. I just love the idea of having so much doctor stuff going on this month. And on top of that, I was going to try to get my motorcycle online course and riding, so I can get my motorcycle endorsement back on my driver's license. I don't know why they took it off, but sometime in the last 30 years they took it off. I don't know why they did. So, oh yay. So now I have to go and pay to do that. Well, yeah. But this requires $300 that I don't have at this moment. The next next class that they're going to have is all the way at the end of October, which could be very messy. I don't know about you, but there are storms that come through in October and November area. You know, it's the start. Well, I've actually seen it snow here in September, so yeah, fun stuff. So I was going to try to get it done here, but trying to get not only the doctor's bill for the deductible taken care of and $300 on that. I could have probably done it if I hadn't had to mess up my brakes and do them. So I can either do one or the other, but not both. And I'd prefer not to have bills. I'm going to try, I think. I don't know. Yeah. Going to have to go over and get the billing done on that. And yeah, so I guess I'm doing my motorcycle course in October and hope that the weather's good. Yeah. Because that's the last one we got until next year, and I'm not sure what time next year. So, hey, we'll see. I did save the webpage so I know where it's at and can get back there about the time I need to. And, we'll have the money to again. Sorry. Apparently, I was popular today. The phone kept ringing. For every scam call I could possibly get, I guess. Because I got about like 8 different phone calls between 10 and 4. Almost 5. Yeah. Needless to say, I didn't get near as much sleep as I was supposed to. So I'm trying a bit on the tired side. That happens. Anyway, I've got to get these things done, and boy, such fun. I don't know. Don't really want to put the thing on the credit card. That's draws interest. So the more you can just put on, and use cash for, the better. I don't know. It's one of those things. It's always better to pay cash than it is to go in debt. Believe me, I know debt. I've got plenty of it, and I'm trying to get it worked down and done. And it's not easy. Yeah. It is what it is. Anyway, it's going to be one of those days. I'm going to try to get a couple things done, and more stuff needs to be packed and moved away and got out of the way and thrown away. Problem is yeah, I happened to start looking, and I don't know if y'all know what slides are, but I found a packet of slides that my dad had taken and was looking at them, and oh gosh, I remember them. I remember where they were taken. They're 50 years old, 55 years old, something like that. Long time ago. But, got to see back into the past, and boy, all this nostalgic stuff, draws you back, makes you open up memories of way back when. Such fun. It is actually fun to remember things from the past, especially if they were good things. But you also got to remember the bad ones so you can avoid doing that stupid stuff again. Just saying, you might want to think about things like that. And yeah, sometimes it seems like a lot of folks don't want to take accountability for what they're doing and just blow it off, don't worry about it, and then they wonder why, they're dancing in the middle of the street and the bumper gets them. Yeah, bumpers hurt. But it's better to, think through and learn instead of having to repeatedly suffer the same painful things. Believe me, I know about painful things. I've done my share of suffering through them. It's part of the reason I actually think Instead of getting a scooter, I want to get a trike. One of those three-wheeler jobs, a Bajar, or maybe, I don't know, a Carabao. I don't know. We shall see. Yeah, it's an interesting thought process here. You know, it's what to choose over there when I get there. But hey, it is what it is. And it's in the future, and I'm letting too much of the future eat up my present. And I really need to, stop letting the past eat it up by drawing me back into memories. Because I got a lot of stuff to do in the present. There's a lot of stuff to get taken care of now. So I need all the now I can get. But hey, sometimes you just need to take a relaxing moment and remember things, plan things. It is what it is. Anyway, I hope y'all are having a blessed day. I appreciate you coming along and sticking with me. I'm up to 159 subscribers now. Please keep coming along. I never know what's next on the day. But it's the next piece of what's getting me over there to the Philippines. Anyway, I'm William from Williams, Philippines. And hey, I'm Fish, and Fish is out.